What's going on, guys? Marcus from Wall Street Assassins. Just like every other video, we start off with the economical report. Hopefully, you guys seen yesterday's video. We did a lot of breakdown on key stocks that basically have earnings this week. Today's the 30th. We have no real news. Basically, the main day we want to worry about is going to be Wednesday, where Fed Jerome Powell speaks at 2:30 Eastern. That's going to be a major pivotal point to the overall market condition. So let's jump over towards the charts over here. These are going to be the top two stocks I'm watching for today. Of course, we got to throw Tesla on there. Tesla basically had an amazing run up from 101 all the way to the highs of where it's sitting right now. If we drop down towards the 5 minute, you can see we made a high of like 180 over here. So 180.68, and it's been kind of trending sideways over here, struggling to break that key level over here. So that's going to be the level you guys want to watch for an uptrend. But let's drop down towards the 180 day. So you can see that 180.68 not only has been a resistance now, it has been a resistance in the past. So it needed to break that 181, in my opinion, before we can start pushing up towards 189. Our side is extremely overbought. So make sure you guys are very cautious with Tesla going forward, especially if you're going for a long position. You may want to use a tight stop loss. 180 day, if we go back toward the 180 day and look at the indicators, right, you can see the RSI is red, overbought. MACD is crossed up, signaling an uptrend. We are above the 180 day EMA over here, which is still currently bullish, right? So unless this is violated to the downside, then we could start looking for a short position, right? I would probably look for a short position around 169. And we can start getting down towards those 158 levels on Tesla. MACD on the 20-day is already crossed down, right? So the 180 day needs to follow. 180 days crossed up, 20 days crossed down. Tesla could be slightly choppy today. If you want to enter in kind of early for a short position, you could probably enter from the break of the 20-day, which is around like 176, down towards that 169. If you want to get in early on Tesla for a short position, that's where I would probably enter. But preferably I would want that 180 day to be crossed down as well. So just a friendly reminder, just check out those charts. Jumping over towards the next one, we're going to look at SPY over here. SPY on the 180 day is crossed down. You can see we had a significant pullback from 408. We're sitting at 402. 402 was a previous support level before, was a previous resistance level. So we need to break this 402 level before we could start basically dropping down towards the 1 year EMA over here around like 398. So 398 is acting as a previous resistance level, should act as a support. MACD's crossed down, RSI has room to the downside. So make sure you guys set your alerts for that. So overall, SPY is giving signs of bearishness by just what we're seeing, right? When the stock is above the EMA, the stock is bullish. When it starts to break below it, the stock is showing signs of bearishness. So if we have another candle open right below this, we could possibly have a nice pullback. Now, on the upside, if if SPY was to basically break this EMA, it needs to basically break at least like 404 before I could deem it, at least in my opinion, bullish. Above 404, then we could start basically pushing back up towards the high, and we can kind of get like a retest of that previous high at 408. So 404 to 408, and I'm thinking at least 402 down towards this 398 over here. Jumping over towards the 20-day. 20-day is crossed down over here already. We're right below the 20-day trade line. So we want to see if we continue to reject that key level. If we continue to reject that key level of that 20-day trade line at 403, we could start to come back down. If not, then it may basically bounce and go back up towards the high. So make sure you guys practice patience. Make sure you guys use stop loss. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Leave a like, leave a comment. What stock are you guys watching today? Maybe I'll throw it in the next watch list later.